No way did that PE teacher do Welsh A level.
Should we do that again?
Definitely false.
3, 9, 1. Studying Welsh is mostly about medieval poetry.
Well, that's definitely
False.
False.
The new Welsh A-level course is modern. It's about a living language.
It's a lot more about society, sociology, economic impacts.
It does give you this much more rounded view. It becomes fun.
GCSE Welsh is enough.
I'm going to say false on that one. Never still quite felt fully competent, and I've wanted maybe a bit more. Definitely I've sort of profited from studying it at a higher level.
Gives you extra confidence with the use of the language and knowledge of your country.
And as someone who did Welsh A level and then left Wales and has now returned, that I spent the extra couple of years studying Welsh to a much deeper level really has given me the confidence now to come back, work and live through the medium of Welsh.
You don't need to speak Welsh to get a job. That's true. You don't have to speak Welsh to have a job, obviously, but I know having the ability to speak both languages has opened numerous doors for us, and that it's very advantageous to be able to sort of have the both and to speak both languages.